Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do something little different from my previous videos, and it's like, one eyeshadow look. It's been a long time since I wanted to try that, so let's get started and let's see how it goes. You guys, I just bought this Veleda uh, sweet almond oil, and I have to say that it's really good for your eyes and for eye makeup. I really love it, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of it. I mean, it's travel size, so it's really nice. I was shocked when I first tried this because I have very dry skin, and I try to moisturize my skin as much as I can actually. So I'm kind of moisturizing my skin. You guys know that with my skin I try not to be too much, and my approach is more like less is more. So I'll just go. I've got something here, uh, thanks to my that time of the months, so it's fine. Also, if you hear some noise, there are people in my house, like everyone is home, and just don't mind. You might feel that this color is not for me and I'm too washed out or something, but trust me, it's only because of the lighting. It's my color. It's even little dark than my own skin tone, but because of the light, it's kind of washing it out. Next, I'm going with Tarte Shape Tape, my trusted one. I really love this concealer, and especially it's okay to put this concealer because I have put oil on my eyes, and so far it can give nice look and it won't be too much matte because I have oil underneath. I think I'll go and buy like full package because this oil really surprised me. I had a lot of oils and I'm big on oils, but this oil I really liked. Then I'm going with my Huda Beauty powder. I don't know how much product is like there because this powder lasted forever, I feel. And I'm just taking little, I don't like too much because it will be um, very obvious on my skin, especially when you have dry skin and you put too much powder. Oh, you don't want to see that. Seriously, you don't want to see that. Okay guys, the next part is my favorite part, and that is eyeshadow, because I think that eyeshadow really pops your eyes. And if you have like, there are so many techniques that you can make your eyes look this or that color. It really it intrigues me, and it's one of my favorite part, after blending, of course. I want to try this color with some reddish burgundy essence eye pencil, because why not. So it has this beautiful sparkles in it. You guys can see that. I think like you can see the sparkle, and it's so beautiful. I don't know whether the light takes all the glitter that this eyeshadow has, but it's like matte finish, but it's with glitter. It's one of my favorite finish, and it's really, really beautiful. But honestly, if you just put one eyeshadow, it's I feel like it's such a high class, it's such a high fashion thing that, and it's very easy and you don't have to be so precise. Guys, it looks really, really crazy right now, but once everything is done, trust me, it's gonna be so, so beautiful. And now time for the eyeliner. Then I'm going with long lasting eye pencil from Essence in color 29 Berry Fantastic, and I'm just gonna line my eyelid. Okay, don't be afraid to be catty and foxy when it comes to eyeliner with this color, because it really gives that beautiful finish to your eye. So I'm just gonna do it. Okay guys, that was my look for today's video. I have just changed my top and I think these colors look so, so gorgeous and so, so well put together. I think this is the technique that everyone can do, literally everyone can do, because you just don't have to put so much effort. You just have to just go with the flow, just blend it. You just have to make sure that your eyeshadow is good quality, and that's it. You really don't have to do much. Guys, I have to say this, I really love this look. I hope you liked it the way I liked it. It was a little bit of hassle when it came to just, when you do eyeshadow, you feel it looks crazy, but in the end everything looks beautiful. So just, you know, trust in process and everything will come up very beautifully. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out, and please subscribe, like, and share, and what else, ring the bell, so you will not miss my updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.